with the automatic watering system. I'm going to show you briefly just to give you an idea of what you can use to make the automatic watering system. This is the nipple. This is what they call the whole set of the nipple. This is the main nipple. This is what they will bring from. They usually have to switch it on and off. They switch it on from this switch that is in the middle. They just have to knock on it, put it down, and then the water will be coming. Then this is the connector, and then this is the spring. First you have to get a jerrycan that has a tap. As you can see, this jerrycan, it is a 20-liter jerrycan. You have to get a jerrycan like this and then put it up the cage. As you can see, it is up the cage so that you can have pressure. Yes, so that you can have enough pressure. Now this is the tap. I decided to put silicone here. Silicone is kind of like rubber, as you can touch it. This is to prevent any linkage, so I put some silicone here just to prevent any leakage, as you can see. So here you can switch on and off water. So there the water is off, so they cannot receive water. So if I put like this, then the water comes here. You have to get this pipe that is a little bit big that can fit exactly in this tap. If you can get the tap off, or just unscrew this and then go with it to a hardware, so that you can find this pipe size. I don't know what size it is. If you can find this size, and then they cut for it just like a small piece. Then here don't put silicone here. Yes, you just fix, so that each time you want to refill water, you just remove it and then refill water and then put it back and then put it inside. Then here I connected with the silicone again with this pipe. I don't know what size it is again, but you still have to go with either the connector that you're seeing here, just to find the pipe size. Yes, so you connect this here and then put some bit of a silicone here and then give it time to dry. The silicone usually takes a lot of time to dry. Just give it something like 30 minutes so that it completely dries. As you can see, it comes to rubber like something, and then it will give you water. Yes, here there is no linkage, as you can see. Then as you see, it scrolls down, comes to the first cage, and then here to the first cage you put a connector. The connector I showed you, connect the pipe coming here from the jerrycan. Then here you give water that goes to the nipple. I'm going to show you how they use them. Then here it works again, comes like this until here, and then you put another connector. Then this connector gives water and supplies to the nipple, and then from here it goes down again, goes down. Then you put another connector. Each cage you put a connector that supplies to the nipple and then supplies again. As you can see, it is working again, and then to the last connector. Then to the last connector here you can put silicone again and then supply to the last nipple. As you can see that guy there. I'm going to show you how to use the nipple. They have to as you can see, it is bringing water. You just to knock on it. After knocking on it, it brings water. You just have to knock on it, and then they also have to learn to use these nipples. As you can see, it supplies water. Yes. Then this is the silicone that I used. You can find this in hardware shops. I hope you can see. It's the silicone. It's kind of like liquid. Yeah, something like that. But when it dries and makes a rubber kind of thing that liquid cannot pass through. This thing is also used in engines. Yes, it's also used in engines, just to make those loose ends not pass any liquid to different areas. Yes, thank you so much.
It's food to fail me. What you start, you always finish. Lord, I'm here to testify. You're too faithful to fail.